Hello traders, welcome to Shinstick. Today I want to see what's the market going on. Today I am going to analyze BTCUSD. So let's see what's happened. First, you can see I'm on the 4-hour chart. In the 4-hour chart, you can see the market is going to down and my support is here, you can see, and then second one is here. If I go to 1-hour chart, you can see here is the support and market is going to already fill up this point. If I go to 13-minute chart, you can see market is already fill this position and he want to go to up. So now I want to predict where the market going on. If you see this, you can analyze it clearly. In 4-hour chart, already he filled this point and my last point is here. If market going to down, he can touch here and then go to up like this. Here, then go to then up and up. If I go to 13-minute chart, you can see market is now this place and he want to go up. How this possible? Market is now here and he go to this place. After that he again come here and then again he go to this place. This is the prediction here. If the market not go to the up, where the market going? Market just go this place. Then he can go to up like this. My now target is he go to up and you can trade short term here, just this point. Then again hold, then you can target this point. So that's it. If you like the video, please like, comment and share with your friends. Must subscribe and notification on so that you can find my video at the first time. That's it. Bye bye.